Why do I have to enter my password? You know it's me. Whatever. Guys, so today we're going to be talking about how to wear a mask and unlock your iPhone with Face ID. So now, I can't tell you how many times since March I have now tried to unlock my iPhone wearing a mask, and it just doesn't work. So, I saw this article back on Twitter a while ago, back around, I think it was in May, from 9to5Mac, saying how to do it. And I tried it back then, and it just didn't work. But then I tried it again, still didn't work, and then I tried it a third time, about a week or two ago, and it worked. So I thought I'd show you guys how I got it to work, and what the best way to do it is from what I've seen. So, first on your iPhone, you're gonna wanna open settings, you're gonna wanna scroll down to Face ID and passcode, you're gonna wanna unlock this, and then you're gonna wanna hit up set up alternate appearance. So then once you do that, it'll bring you to the Face ID screen. So then what you're gonna do is, what you're gonna do with your mask, is you're gonna put it on one ear, and then fold it in half. But now, don't put that on your ear, as you'll wanna be able to maneuver it, so that it's just above your nose, because otherwise it won't unlock when you try to do it with the mask on. And you're gonna hold it center to your face, and then on your phone, you're gonna hit get started, and then you're gonna position your face in the frame, as it tells you to do, and then just move it around in a circle, and make sure it gets all the points. And then after you do your first Face ID scan, you're going to switch to the other side of your head, and you're gonna fold this back in half, and then just make sure again it is over the top of your nose, and a little below your chin, as when Face ID is scanning, it is putting it for your whole face. And you do have to switch it for the second Face ID scan, as it helps put the two together of you wearing a mask without you actually wearing the mask, because it'll show that your face is obstructed and will not allow you to do it. So now that Face ID is set up, I'm going to stop setting it up and lock my iPhone. So then if I put my mask on, it should work. Now, it'll work maybe 90 to 95% of the time. There will be that 10% where you will have to readjust your phone or the angling, which is a little annoying, but it is way better than having to put your password in each time. So I'm just going to show you real quick. So right now my iPhone is locked. If it would focus on my iPhone. So right now my iPhone's locked. Okay, so now I'm going to put my mask back on, and the iPhone is still locked. And then, if I swipe up, it unlocked. Which is great, because now I can unlock my iPhone with my mask on, and not have to take my mask off to use my iPhone. Because it is annoying having to take it off to just use my iPhone. And while probably this wasn't envisioned when Face ID was released 3 years ago and back in 2017 with the iPhone 10, it is pretty cool to see that Apple has workarounds for this, and I'll link the article to 9to5Mac below if you do want to check it out and look at how I discovered this and what allowed me to find this essentially, and what to do without, and if this is confusing for you. So I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.